Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Woodruff, and I'm with Woodruff Wellness Clinic here in Charleston, South Carolina. And I just want to answer a question that most people have when they come to a chiropractor, is what is that popping sound they hear when they get an adjustment? Well, that popping sound is actually gases given off by the joint. As you should know, if you've been to a chiropractor, you have 24 movable joints in your spine, and they should all move in this fashion. What happens is, when one gets stuck in such a formation, they're not able to move as good as they should. So when a chiropractor goes in there and gets the joint to move again, it actually gives that popping sound, or cavitation is the actual medical terminology for it. That cavitation is just gases being given off by the joint itself. There's synovial fluid lining the joint cavity, and when you get that joint moving again, it makes this fluid being produced and the synovial fluid more lubricating on that joint, which is what you need to stay mobile for the rest of your life. Remember, if you're not using something on your body, you will start to lose it or degenerate. So, if you're scared of that popping sound, just definitely ask your chiropractor to use a lower force method of adjustment so you're not actually hearing the popping sound. But again, all that popping sound is gases being given off by the joint, by the movement of the joint, getting it unstuck from its stuck position. My name is Dr. Stephanie Woodruff, and if you found this information helpful and want to find out some more information about chiropractic care, please look at my website at woodruffwellnessclinic.com, and you can find some great information about chiropractic. Thank you.